Today I was able to make almost $4,000 trading in like 15 minutes in the Forex group, pretty much with the best Forex strategies. So in this specific video, I want to share pretty much everything, not only the setups that I took, the results, but also I want to share a little part of the webinar that I had. It's low quality, picture wise, but you're gonna see exactly how I trade live with the people inside of the Signals group. So let's go ahead and do that. Hey everyone, Christian here on YouTube. Welcome to a brand new video for the channel. Today, I'm gonna share with you exactly how I trade 100% live and how I was able to make $4,000 in 15 minutes with 2 of my accounts. But hey, if you're new to my channel and you're into Forex, crypto, or any type of making money online, hit that subscribe button below, smash the like if you find value, and let's begin. All right, so the first thing that you need to know is that the prop firm that I am personally using is Prime. Prime is the company that I've been using for a year now. This is the $300,000 account that I told you that I was going to actually get. And here it is. And yeah, definitely the best company out there for prop firms in 2025. I'm suggest you to use that one. I'm going to have the link to it in the description of this video. But one more thing is that if by any chance you want to get a 15% discount, you can use the promo code BLW15 and you'll get a 15% off. You can trade with this one right here, which is Trade Locker. I always forget about the name of this platform. Trade Locker, but you can also trade with Match Trader. They also have DX Trade and so on. So absolutely amazing and very complete company. Like I said, I'm gonna have the link to it in the description of this video. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at today's trades. These are the 2 trades that I took today with my Trade Locker account, my $300,000 account. As you can see, this is the balance in equity, and we have one that is the NASDAQ position, and we also have the US 30 position. How is it that I took these trades? As you can see right here, I have drawn the actual levels. This one didn't activate, so we ignore it. And the other one is NASDAQ right here. And this one is actually still active. It took me out at this level, which was very unfortunate because he only stepped me out and then continued to go up. It's fine. I mean, I'm okay with the $3,000 profits that you can see right here. It actually is going to show us this week because it's past midday. So I don't know. I think it counts as tomorrow, whatever. But take a look at the actual trades literally right here. So this week, $3,052. Today it doesn't show anything because it's the afternoon. But the trade is still active. I don't think anyone actually has this trade still active because that's not the way I teach you, but it is what it is. Now, if we go to Match a Trader, in Match Trader, we have 2 positions. This right here shows the results for the last 3 days. No, actually for the last 2 days, October 22nd and October 23rd. Take a look at this. These are the numbers from today. $140 and $260. That's a total of $400 in profits. Yesterday, $462, and we lost 1 trade. But this is out of a $50,000 account. So that means that we made over $600 this week in a $50,000 account. How much is that? It's over 1%. Okay. Why is this so important? Because this is an actual funded account. This is not a challenge already. I mean, this is an actual funded account that I have. It's super important that you understand that this is withdrawable balance. I can withdraw that money. So that's actually awesome. And plus, it's an actual small account. I cannot risk more than 1% per trade per day entirely. So I risk 0.5 on each trade, which is $250. And this is the money that I lost. And I always target at least 2 to 1. But today I decided to close them because I had to go work out and markets were quite slow today, as you can see. I don't even have anything drawn in here, but because I had it on TradingView and all my other platforms, but this was the trade. As you can see, this was a buy position on NASDAQ and on US 30. I had almost the exact same thing. Almost. Oh no, this is not it. You can see these were the entries on this platform as well. And all of these trades took about 25 minutes for them to expire. And yeah, that was pretty cool. Now, in order to explain to you the setups and everything, like I said, I want to like share with you a little clip. I know the quality is not going to be the best one, but the thing is that the quality, it's the same quality that we had in the actual live stream that we had. I speak through it, but the quality of the video is not as good as probably the one that you watching. But still, you're gonna understand exactly how I chose the entries, how I always give you recommendations and so on. Yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at that clip right now.
Hopefully we have a better day than yesterday. Yesterday we did have a 5-to-1, but it took forever for the actual price to kick in. This is yesterday's trade. So I hit the take profit around 10:30 my local time. That was 3 hours after market opens. But hopefully today we have a better day. On NASDAQ yesterday, we actually activated, hit the stop loss, but then it hit a 5-to-1. It's unfair, but what are we going to do? Today I feel more like there's going to be sell positions, but who knows? NASDAQ people. You could actually move the entry point slightly above this resistance line just to be sure. This is the risky entry, so it's completely up to you. Same here with US 30, just move it slightly a little bit above because I placed it somewhere here. So move it. People who are not in the live stream are gonna miss these instructions, so you're lucky. All right, we start in 30 seconds. So let's see how we go. There's a little bit more volume than there were the last couple days. So I guess we could say it looks like a good day. I'm closing and breaking even, and I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for it to actually go above this entry. So you can do the same. Close it to break even, and then if it breaks this resistance, then you can go ahead and enter. NASDAQ is coming up as well. All right, NASDAQ is pushing strong. That's good. All right, US 30 starting to push. There's a little wick right there. That's probably the one making us hold back. We need to cross that, and then we're in. There you go. We're breaking it. We're breaking it on US 30. Man, it retracted again, US 30. Come on. You can just close both of the sell positions, the pending orders. We're not going to take them today. Wow, take a look at the drop right there on US 30. It didn't even activate. Like, it was really close. And let me know if you guys entered though. I mean, the entry point, it's like 1 point or something difference. So it's not like you entered wrong. So this 5 candlestick right now, if it closes above the resistance area, we're going to have a great candle closure in 15. So that's actually something good on US 30. But again, a 15-minute candle closure above the resistance is good. We don't have the volume. At least we have the direction. At least. I'd rather have the volume though. We have news in 16 minutes. Existing home sales. How is that going to affect us? But like 2 minutes before, maybe 5 minutes before the news, you should protect all of your orders. There you go. NASDAQ's pushing. Take a look at NASDAQ. It's flying. NASDAQ is about to hit the 1-1. There you go, US 30, great candle closure. There you go, beautiful. Hopefully there's not a big retraction right now on any of them. 1-1 over there on NASDAQ, you can protect your orders, take some profits and so on. You already know how it is. It's reaching a new resistance, so you gotta be super careful on it. I saw on NASDAQ to keep on pushing on that resistance, but I'm not sure if it's going to, because not only it's reaching a resistance, but it's also having a stochastic on the downward position. So I wouldn't blame you if you take your profits right now over there. I mean, it's completely up to you, but you know what I mean? It's a little risky to keep the position. I mean, if you book some profits already, then you're good to go anyways, but it might come back and retest and then continues to go, wow, who knows? US 30, on the other hand, it's pretty much retracting, retesting, and we'll see. With US 30, I already booked some profits, so no matter what happens there, I already made my profit. I'm keeping my trade open for New York Open. I mean, for the 5-to-1. I don't know what I'm saying. How you guys doing? You guys want to share some screenshots right now? How you guys doing? All right, NASDAQ is coming up again, which is nice. US 30 seemed like it was going to retract, but it's like holding there. I think if a 5-minute candlestick actually crosses the stochastic, then it's probably going to continue jumping. But the thing is that it hasn't really crossed. Something like this, you know, slight retraction and then boom, another jump. There you go. NASDAQ looking very, very good. Let's see if it actually breaks this resistance level right there. It's pushing it. That's for sure. It's pushing it. So I like what I see. I like what I see. I like the momentum. But there are some news. Remember, we have news in like 10 minutes. Make sure you are already protecting your trades. That also includes US 30, even if you just entered. It keeps on pushing. I think it's going to hit a 1-to-1 right now. Nice. NASDAQ momentum continues. Just love that. Same as US 30. All right, NASDAQ is about to hit a 2-to-1. Man, that's awesome. What a beautiful day as well in the BLW Auto Trader. Damn, 2-to-1. 2-to-1 right there on NASDAQ. We're going to say I'm really happy with the results today. NASDAQ keeps on breaking everything. It's just insane. All right, so I'm moving my stop loss right below this resistance area so that it can continue to go up. 1-to-1 hit right there on US 30. Beautiful movement right there. There you go. It keeps on pushing. It keeps on going. Keep it, keep it, keep it. Hopefully the news actually help us push the price above and not, you know, man, the retraction is not good on US 30. We'll see. We do have a resistance area right there around 46.746. But like I said, I'm extremely happy with my results today. So I made $621 on a $50,000 account funded. I made so far $3,000 on a $300,000 account, and so far $700 on a $4,000 account. So yeah, I'm actually happy. People in the BLW Auto Trader should be really happy too. 7 minutes for the news. All right, the retraction on US 30 is actually too big, like literally too big. That is most likely going to take us out the break even. There you go. Now we did. All right, what can we do? It's not like what we wanted, but we did hit a 1-to-1, which is really profitable. It's good. But yeah, continue with the trades open for the rest of the trades. And I'll see you later on with the final results.
All right, then before you end up with this video or before you close this window, I just want to give you a warm invitation. If by any chance you're like, whoa, you mentioned that you actually stream live. Where is it that you stream live? I actually stream live in this Telegram group that is right here. It's the BLW Signals group, and it's only $29.99 a month nowadays. Now, what is it that this group is? Pretty much, I actually share my setups like literally right here. This is the US 30, this is the NASDAQ, and then I start streaming live while the market opens. And then I send the recording if I recorded and so on. If you want to be part of this Telegram channel, you can do it. All you got to do is go to blwsignalsgroup.com, this one right here, and pretty much just select what plan you want to go. 1 month is $29.99, 6 months is $149, and 1 year is $300, and you get 1 year of signal. So I just wanted to give you the invitation in case you want to trade live with me. Hopefully I can see you there. Hey, so hopefully you enjoyed the content of this video. If you did, go ahead and smash the like button to support this channel, and more importantly, leave a comment in case you have any questions, and hopefully I can see you on the next one. Peace.